Ever wonder how these beautiful quality wood blinds are made? Follow us as we go behind the blinds to see exactly how your custom wood blinds are fabricated to our thorough, exacting quality standards. Wood and faux wood blinds are produced at our fabrication facility, one of the largest in North America, located in Rosarito Beach, Mexico, just 20 miles from San Diego and 150 miles from the Port of Los Angeles. To start production of each blind, an order is printed. Every order generates a unique barcode for each product on the order to ensure precision and help eliminate the opportunity for human error throughout the fabrication process. This barcode captures all the key details to produce the perfect quality product. For this wood blind order, it details the product size, wood color, and style selection, control options, balance choice, and other critical manufacturing information. Even before an order is started, the components have been randomly pre-inspected to our exacting quality standards upon arrival at our facility. Quality control follows a detailed inspection process. Here, we're inspecting wood before it is allowed into our working inventory. Note that we only use the finest basswood, and all our wood has been finished with stabilizers and UV inhibitors for sun protection. Quality control checks include a visual quality inspection, checking slats for bow and camber, and confirming the wood meets our color standards. The sorting station is the first step in producing our wood blind order. The wood is pulled from inventory, confirmed it is the right wood for the job, and then is visually inspected for defects. Should an issue be spotted, replacement slats would be immediately pulled before proceeding with the order. The auditor places all the wood grain in the same direction and confirms the slat count is accurate. Here, we cut the slats to the order's exact specifications. Notice that before starting each order, the equipment is first cleaned. Then the barcode is scanned, and that code tells the machine the exact measurement for the slat cut. There's no need to use a measuring tape that can potentially be misread. This machine, custom designed to our specifications, actually cuts with two blades, one that comes from the top down and another that comes from the bottom up. This eliminates any splintering and ensures a smooth edge. After precise cutting, our slats move to the slat finishing station. Here, the edges are stained or painted to match the wood finish. The slats then take a ride on the trolley to be matched up with the rest of the order's components. Now it's time for the head rail. The barcode is again scanned, and the color-coordinated head rail is then fed into the cutting and punching machine. The machine automatically cuts the rail and tilt rod to the correct length and punches the cord route holes in the right location. Once again, no measuring tape needed. Now we add in the bottom rail. Every step is automated, cued by the order barcode. The equipment automatically punches the cord holes in the correct location. As the bottom rail exits the punch machine, our operator skillfully applies the safety labels. It is important to confirm that the route holes in the top and bottom rails are aligned, so the operator quickly verifies the alignment is accurate before forwarding the rails onto the next operation. The intricate process of assembling the head rail is our next operation. Here, the coordinating cord ladders are cut and the ends are crimped. These ladders will now travel with the order's other components as we head to blind assembly. As we watch our skilled operator efficiently assemble the head rail, let's review the hidden components. The head rail and its components are critical to a worry-free, smoothly operating wood blind. First in are the cradles, but more about their key role later. Our cord lock and wand tilter are metal, not plastic, so they're extremely durable. The sleek, low-profile head rail is heavy-duty steel, so it's strong. The metal cord separator keeps the cords from twisting and tangling. The cord tilter is encased in plastic, protecting the mechanism from dust and dirt. Metal end stiffeners provide stability and support the headrail. The sturdy metal cord barrels are slid onto the metal hexagonal tilt rod and snapped into place on the cradles. The cradles support the cord barrels and feature a roller in the center to allow these sturdy metal barrels to tilt smoothly on the hexagonal tilt rod. We use a hexagonal tilt rod instead of a square rod to provide the tightest slat closure. The last step in assembly is cutting the coordinating pull cord. This will travel with the blind to final assembly. Here, we see a fully assembled headrail with all its quality components, including the product labeling that can be used as a reference throughout the life of the blind. Now it's time to start assembling all the elements we've just seen customized for this specific order. Here, we've fitted the ladders onto the machine. The slats are then individually punched and fed into the ladders. The cord is automatically weaved on opposite sides of the ladder to help prevent the slats from sliding one way or the other. We specifically designed this equipment to ensure quality and precision. Moving directly from the laddering operation, the headrail is now connected with the laddered slats through a hand cording process. Here, the operator threads the lift cords through the route holes. Then she pulls the ladders up through the headrail punch and over the metal cord barrels, and then secures them in place. There are numerous critical steps in this final assembly stage, starting with a check that the operating cords are functioning properly and doing a quick visual inspection. Here, she's reordering a few slats to achieve the best-looking blind. Dusting both sides of the blind ensures that the slats are clean before the product is shipped. Plus, if a defect had occurred during production, the operator would replace the slat at this stage. Once she's satisfied that the blind looks its best, she hand threads the lift cords through the last slats and bottom rail, ties a washer to the ends of the lift cords to keep them in place, and places buttons in the bottom rail to keep the cords hidden from sight. The lift cords and pull cord are then attached to the breakaway stop ball. Then the consumer safety warning label and the wood pull cord tassel are attached. Lastly, the tassels are attached to the tilt cords. This blind is now ready for final inspection. Each and every blind goes through a final inspection by one of our quality control team members. During the inspection, the length and width are verified against the physical order. The blind is raised and lowered, opened and closed to ensure the mechanisms are properly working. We affix a level at the top of the assembly rack that helps ensure blinds are level and each measurement is accurate. The crowning touch is the wood valance. Each valance is precision cut on this mitering machine for a perfect fit. And note the bag that captures the wood dust. This keeps the air clean for the employees as well as protects the product. The returns are then carefully glued onto the valance to create a custom mitered valance return. Note the attention to detail in checking for any excess glue, removing it, and touching up the ends. The wood is also inspected and touched up, and then it moves to quality control inspection where it is measured to confirm accuracy, dusted, and closely inspected before joining the blind for final packaging. Now ready for shipping, each blind is scanned at our dock by a FedEx employee, loaded onto the truck, and delivered stateside. And since the order can be tracked the moment it has been scanned onto the truck, it is easy to monitor the shipment progress. Every day, FedEx trucks transport our finished product directly to customers throughout the United States, where they are soon installed and enjoyed for years to come.